Hello everyone, welcome to the guide path to many worlds. So yesterday we have seen creating a virtual machine in the Google Cloud platform. I hope you have seen this video in my channel, the Linux platform and the parent channel, the guide. So if you have not seen this video, you can watch it here for the installing virtual machine on a Google Cloud platform. It is there in the Linux platform. Okay. Now let me continue this session. So in this tutorial today, I would like to cover the installing the Open JDK in the virtual machine installed on Google Cloud platform. Okay. Let's see how we can install Open JDK in the Google Cloud platform. Okay. So as I said, we can connect this VM with browser directly. No need to go for the PuTTY or WinSCP to connect it from the um, outside tools. So I'm just trying to log in with the browser one. Yes. Now you can see I was able to log into my virtual machine. Here you can see right now I'm at my home directory, and since I was logged in as uh, Rockstar Chano user, I would like to go for the home path and uh, go to Ubuntu user. So whenever you have launched this instance, a user will be created with the uh, user which you have mentioned with respect to the OS that you have installed here. So I just logged in as Ubuntu here, and then if you can see here, just it shows some basic commands. It is working fine. So right now, if I want to verify whether Java is installed on my system or not, just use the Java hyphen hyphen version. So it says that the program Java cannot be found in the following packages, meaning Java is not installed on the current virtual machine. So let's go and get install the Java virtual machine here, Java OpenJDK here. So how I can install Java OpenJDK here. Okay, so if you go to Google and say Open JDK for Ubuntu, then it shows this download and install OpenJDK, and then you can see here different versions of OpenJDK, JDK9, JDK8, JDK7, JDK6, something like that. So I would like to go for OpenJDK8. So you can use this command to install the OpenJDK here. Right now it shows that it is pointing to the OpenJDK JRE, which is a runtime environment. So in most of the virtual machines or the Linux servers, we don't install the JDK. Instead, we will install the JDK JRE, since it's free version that we are getting, and there is no need of JDK if you are just running the application inside your VM. So let's check whether this package is available in my VM or not. So there is some command in Ubuntu which checks for the available packages in the current system. So let me uh, check this. Okay, have icon get. So there are a couple of commands that we can append with this command have-get. So you can see here search something. Yes, most used command these are update, install, remove, something like that. So we have different commands if you want to check these things and all. So what I will do is I'll just install the, I'll just search for the OpenJDK. So it says invalid operation. Okay, get. Okay, I think the VM is not unable to recognize this package, so we just need to update this VM with the latest jars here. Okay, can write open JDK8 JDK. So it says that unable to acquire the DK package from frontline. Yeah. So and it is asking whether I am a root or not, and it says it the permission is being denied. So meaning we need to log in as a root user and then we need to install this OpenJDK right now. So I just logged in as sudo here. So I'll just execute this -help. Um, so we can first we'll update this package with the latest ones. apt hyphen get update. So now we can see we have updated with the latest packages here. Now I'll try to install and see what will happen and what issues that we'll get. And JDK-8 JDK. So now you can see I'm trying to install the latest package with the OpenJDK 8 JDK. This is the command to install the OpenJDK 8 on your VM. And if you would like to go for some other versions, you need to check the version here, and then you can use the um, latest versions in your VMs. So, and it is asking me whether do I need to continue to install this operation or not. And if I say yes, then it allows me to install the latest package related to OpenJDK 8 here. So as you can see, it is fetching the different details from the OpenJDK 8 website and the packages related to that OpenJDK 8. So let's wait for a second. Yes, now we are done. Now you can see it is done. Let's verify whether we have the right version of JDK installed on your VM or not. So I'm just checking the Java hyphen version. Let me exit from here. Could not create the Java virtual machine. Okay, sorry, I was giving a wrong command here. So I was trying to give a single hyphen. I have given the um, different version. What I did here is I I have installed my Java JDK open JDK8 here, and then I try to verify my Java version here, but there is some mismatch in this command. I didn't recognize that, so here instead of single hyphen I just given two hyphens. That creates the problem here. So that is why it shows that could not create the Java with virtual machines. But this is one of the learnings that we can see different errors when we try to access the uh, JVM or a JDK with different or unknown command. This is how it shows here. And then you can see here, if you would like to check the different versions of Java that is available under the Ubuntu package here, you just need to use this command apt-cache and then the options. The options are like this: so shows, search, depends, or depends, show, package names, policy, etc. You can choose whatever the relevant command for your operation here. Right now I'm just searching for the different OpenJDK sources here. So I just use this command apt cache search OpenJDK. So it defaults all the names related to this OpenJDK, and it is showing me different uh, ones. And then I can see here there is OpenJDK8 versions available here, and then the highest is OpenJDK9 till so far in this VM package. So I just installed. After that, I tried installed again the OpenJDK8, but it is failed. It says already says that if I try to install the OpenJDK again, it is failing because it says that this OpenJDK is already available on this machine and it is unable to process this one. And if you would like to update your OpenJDK, then you can just run this grub pc bin, and then it will be auto remove your existing OpenJDK, and then whatever the version you want to install, you can install from the available packages in the Ubuntu. And if you check this, still it doesn't recognize the command. So, and if you can check this java hyphen version, you could see this, it is able to install this Java on your VM, and you can see this is the version and the runtime environment and the 64-bit server on this machine. So that's it for this uh, VM creation. If you go to your user and if you verify your Java version, it says this your Java has been installed on your Java virtual machine. So this is how we can configure the Java uh, versions here. That's it. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, The Guide, a path for many worlds. Thank you. Signing off.